Hey there, welcome to the another adventure. Today we are going to explore the breathtaking Tatra National Park. Join me as I'm going to hike through majestic mountain, lush forest and crystal clear lakes. The trail in Tatra National Park offers something for everyone, from easy walks to challenging treks. Today, I'm going to trek the well-known Droga Port Reglami Trail. It's known for its stunning vistas and adrenaline pumping passages. The Droga Port Reglami Trail isn't for the faint of heart, but the view along the way are worth every step. But be sure to take your time, stay hydrated, and most important, enjoy the journey. Till here, it was just a normal walk, but from here, I think that it's going to be challenging. From this side to this side, and more to more, I have to go up. I don't know where's the end of this trail. These are few funny moments from people, and this moment shows that yeah, the task is not going to be easy at all. So finally, challenging track is completed, and here is the view. Wow. From up here, you can see the vast expanse of the Tatra Mountains stretching out before us. It's the moment like these that make all the efforts worthwhile. One of the highlights of hiking in Tatra National Park is the chance of encounter its rich and diverse wildlife. As the sun set on another unforgettable adventure, I'm filled with the gratitude for the opportunity to explore the national beauty of Tatra National Park. And here am I, Viren Shekhawat, uncovering even more hidden games and breathtaking views of this beautiful town. So stay tuned for the next video.